Examples show your API endpoints in action and give more details on how requests and responses work. For example, here I've got a Pokemon search endpoint, which gives details about a Pokemon. And I can see under I've got one saved example that's actually showing me how to use that request with a specific Pokemon. To send that example, you can click try next to the URL here, and it's going to send that example with the parameters that it was set with. I can edit that request now with, for example, another Pokemon, send it, and I can now save that other example as a response. Either update the current one or save as another one. So I'll save it as a new one and say Pikachu. I can now see I have two different examples saved to this one, and this will help me if I need to send either of these later or anyone else that needs to use that API. This is available for any type of HTTP request. For example, if I had the same thing for a post request that sends form data, that API has example data, but I can see there's an example that actually shows how to maybe create a book. I can now try that example instead, and this will effectively send the request with the example data that was set.